Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about pulse. It is the second part of vital signs. What is pulse? Pulse is an alternative expansion and small recoil of an artery as the wave of blood is forced through it during the contraction of the left ventricle. Normal pulse rate in adults 60 to 100 beats per minute. Tachycardia, that means pulse rate over 100 beats per minute. Bradycardia means pulse rate below 60 beats per minute. Before birth 140 to 150 beats per minute. At birth 130 to 150 beats per minute. First year 115 to 130 beats per minute. Second year 100 to 150 beats per minute. Third year 90 to 100 beats per minute. 4 to 8 years 86 to 90 beats per minute. 8 to 15 years 80 to 86 beats per minute. And adult 70 to 80 beats per minute. And old age 60 to 70 beats per minute. Next, characteristic of the pulse. We have 4 characteristics of pulse. They are rate, rhythm, volume and tension. First one, rate. Rate is the number of pulse beats in a minute. Second, rhythm. Rhythm refers to regularity of beats. Third, volume. Volume refers to the fullness of the artery. Fourth, tension. Tension is the degree of compressibility. Next, factors causing variation in pulse rate. First one, age. The young people have a rapid pulse rate and the old people have slow pulse rate. Second, sex. The female has more rapid pulse than the male. Third one, exercise. Increased muscular activity will increase the pulse rate. Fourth one, food. Indigestion of food increase the pulse rate. Next, physique. The short person with small body has more rapid pulse than the tall heavy individual. Next, posture. The pulse rate is higher when the body is standing position. Next, emotion. Mental or emotional disturbances will increase the pulse rate. Application of heat. Application of heat can increase the pulse rate. Next, increased body temperature. When the body temperature is elevated, the pulse rate will increase. Next, disease condition. Loss of blood, injury to the viscera, shock, etc. increase the pulse rate. And last one, drugs. Stimulant drugs like caffeine will increase the pulse rate. Next, abnormal rhythm. First one, arrhythmia. It is a technical term that indicates any variation from normal rhythm. Second one, intermittent pulse. It is one in which the beats are missed at regular intervals. Next, extrasystoles. When the cardiac contraction occurs prematurely, it is called extrasystolic pulse. Atrial fibrillation. Rapid contraction of the atrium causing irregular contraction of the ventricles. Ventricular fibrillation. It is rapid twitching of ventricles. And last, sinus arrhythmia. It is a condition in which the pulse rate is rapid during inspiration and slow during expiration. Next, abnormal volume. First one, water hammer or collapsing pulse. It is a full volume pulse but rapidly collapsing pulse occurring in aortic incompetence. Second one, bounding pulse, signifies an increased stroke volume as seen in exercise, anxiety, hepatic failure, heart block, etc. Next, pulse alternance. The rhythm is regular but the volume has an alternative strong and weak character. Fourth one, weak or thready pulse. A small weak pulse that feels like a wire or thread on the palpation of arteries. Next, method of taking pulse. Palpation and auscultation. Palpation is done using the first and second or second and third fingers of one hand. Next, auscultation. Auscultation means listening with stethoscope. Placing ear against the body, we can hear sounds of blood vessels, heartbeats, bowel sounds, etc. Next, parts of stethoscope. 6 parts of a stethoscope: ear tips, binaural spring, tubing, diaphragm and bell. Next, common sites for taking pulse: apical pulse, temporal artery over temporal bone, cardiac artery at the sides of the neck, radial artery in front of the wrist, brachial artery above the elbow, femoral artery in the groin, popliteal artery in the popliteal fossa, dorsalis pedis artery on the foot, and posterior tibial artery behind the medial malleolus. It is all about pulse.